media msikie. Hapa kwa hii hospitali hapa there are more than 16 ambao wamekufia pale. These people are hiding from us. My daughter is not among them. The 16 hayuko hapo. Ako wapi? Hospitali zote hayuko. Where is she? Then you're telling us the 16. Among the 16, she's not there. Wako wapi? Kwa kumaliza there are more than 16 students ambao waliperish up. I want to go and check for myself. Please. Security officer, please. I'm begging, please. I want to see my daughter. Please. I'm 16. She's not among the 16. Where is she now? See what is she there? Gentlemen, please understand where I'm coming from, please. Can you go and see whether she's there? Among the 16 mmoja wao sasa kama yuko kwa watu 16 where is wale saba wale wengine wote mtu wangu apatikani kwa hiyo listi yote. Hawa ndio sawa, sasa kwa haitakuwa Baba. Just more than 16, please. You are hiding from us. And I will prove you wrong. You are hiding from us. The CS is 16, but it's a lie. There are more than 16 students perished there. And I want to confirm whether my daughter is there. Because I go among the 16. But are you hiding it from me? She's morning up in here. How long more do you want me to stay here? How long more do you want to How long more? 12 hours down the line. No information about my daughter. 12 hours down the line. I understand you are professional. You have all the information about my daughter. Do you not know where my daughter is? Honestly, I'm asking you, my daughter, where is she? Kwa shule ya serikali, you want to be professional, you know how to gather the information. Why are you hiding this information from me? Yeah? Please kindly, God, you get out of my way, please. I don't care about the channel. We have been lectured the whole day. But there's lecture tu huyu anakuambia fanya hivi, enda huko, enda kwa attend the lecture. Do what? I want to know. Where is my daughter? This is not a political rally. Mshinda hapa mkiongea maneno mingi inasaidia nini? Very wrong. Hizi maneno ya mkutano hapa.
Si mambo ya kampeni. Kutoka asubuhi. This is not a political rally. Mshinda hapa mkiongea maneno mingi inasaidia nini?
You are not telling us anything. I want to know where my daughter is. Almost. It's now midday. It's now midday. Since morning. Please. Give me a break. Let me check whether my daughter is among the dead. Excuse me, madam. Just tell me my daughter is among the dead. I'm a committee hospital. Period. Stop lecturing me. I don't want stories.
Baba
Show me my daughter. You are telling us what? Excuse me, madam. Just tell me my daughter is among the dead. I'm a committee hospital. Period. Stop lecturing me. I don't want stories. Show me my daughter. You are telling us what? Young ladies, tell me your daughter is among the dead.
We have a command post.
Kuna watu wengi.
Niambia hivyo. Mia wila. This morning. Tangu saa 12 asubuhi. They were not telling me.
Relax.
No. No.
Wazazi, kila mtu ametulia na ngojea. Let us just be.
I've been here since 6 o'clock.
We have been all day.
I've been riding all this is auto zote.
Tumekuwa hapa.
Boss. They have been lecturing us.
Hata sisi tumekuwa hapa kuanzia saa 8 usiku.
Wanaanza.
Sasa kama kuja hapa ikiwa imeanza sisi tulizima.
Ni sawa, nikuulize. Is she alive or dead?
Sasa watoto waezi saa hii
watu wamekuwa wakituambia hivi like young ladies tell me your daughter is among the dead.
We have a command post. Tunde pale chini.
I've been there. I don't think I don't know where my daughter is. All the time. It's now midday. It's now midday. Since morning. Please. Give me a break. Let me check whether my daughter is among the dead. Excuse me, madam. Just tell me my daughter is among the dead. I'm a committee hospital. Period. Stop lecturing me. I don't want stories. To answer, tell me where daughter is A or B. Period. Stop telling me stories. Don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I want one answer. Your daughter is A or B. I don't care. Stop giving me a hapa. What are they telling us? The whole school. no information, keeping us in darkness. Only people. I have one. I'm tell me why it's not video. I don't care. Tell me where it's sharing babies, please. This one may end up with the future. I'm asking you, where is my daughter? I think we are since morning, which hospital? Which hospital I go there to look my daughter? Tell me which hospital? Which hospital? Why you keep getting darkness? Why you never tell me where my daughter is? Yes. Tell me where my daughter is. Yes. Tell me where my daughter is.
Mwambie mtoto yangu hali yake kwa hiyo. Unajua ni afadhali ajue hali yake kuliko kuleta kwa watu.
Nilipata ripoti kutoka kwa another parent who has a child here at around 5 in the morning. Na nikatoka. I took my brother and sister and we came here. But unfortunately we weren't allowed in. Tumeingia around saa moja, no information, nothing. But I'm fortunate I got my child. But ingine we don't know. But we heard that kuna fatalities. But what surprises me most ni kwamba we brought our kids here, knowing that it's a police institution whereby watoto wetu watachungwa vizuri. I'm just wondering, hatuna intelligence. Couldn't know, they know where were they when these kids dormitory inachomeka? Where were they? Saizi ndo wanakimbia up and down. We parents are suffering. Our kids were roast. Are we safe? Are we safe as parents? I don't have much, but nikuombea wazazi wenye wamepoteza watoto wao, Mungu tu awape nguvu.
Mimi ni mkaaji wa Gilgil na nilipigiwa simu around saa 10 na aunti yangu akaniambia kuna moto na mtoto wake yako hapa ndani. Niliweza kufika na wakati nimeingia tumepangishwa line pale ndani na tukaandika majina na kwa bahati mzuri nimepata kupata mtoto wako lakini ameumia kidogo. Ananiambia alikuwa kodom ya chini na ndio maana aliweza kutoka. Matron alikuwa moja chini na juu na wenye walikuwa juu wengi waliruka kwa balcony. Ndio maana wengi wamevunjika na wenye walishindwa kuruka ndio wamechomeka. So ningeomba hizi madom kama kutatengenezwa dom na ziko na milango miwili, matron wakuwe wawili na zaidi wazazi wenye wanakuja kuangalia watoto wakuje tu polepole kwa sababu tumesikia kuna manusura wengine wamegongana na gari pale Kikope juu wanakuja haraka kuangalia watoto wao. Vile vile tungeomba shule, watoto wakiletwa shule, tunaletanga watoto shule tunadhani wako safe. Ningeomba wadumishe hali ya waongeze hata kama ni matron wengi kwa sababu tumeona matron alikuwa moja wakati alifungua mlango akashindwa na kuelekeza watoto.